Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be implementing a text-to-speech tool with the help of Python and machine learning technologies. For this purpose we're going to be using a special library called Bark. In order to install the necessary packages we're going to be using this specific pip installation command. So I have already installed the necessary package. By the way, I'm using Google Colabs right now because this AI work is too much for my computer, and I also suggest you to do so because the Google's servers are more powerful than our machines. But you need to pay attention to a point that the runtime type of these servers should be a GPU, and change it by clicking here and make sure that it is the GPU option is selected. And after the installation of the necessary package, we're going to import the necessary classes and functions from the package, and I have already done that in order not to lose time. So let's begin with the first example of text-to-speech. So basically we have given a piece of text string, and the library Bark has generated it. So let's listen to the generated tag and let's listen to the generated speech so you will understand how powerful the Bark is.
Hello, my name is Suno, and I like pizza, but I also have other interests such as playing tic-tac-toe.
By the way, I don't know if you have noticed, but in this part of the text we have written the string laughs in square braces because in this part we wanted to hear a laughing sound from the generated speech. And here are our advanced examples. So in this example, the string is mixed with English and Spanish. Since the Bark language model can distinguish the languages, you can hear both Spanish and English. So let's listen to it.
English isn't terrible.
And in this part, in the next part, actually, you can build dialogues like that. In this case, there are two men, and these two men's voices will be different. I have already generated it, so let's listen to it. Actually, one of the drawback is this package is that sometimes it cannot generate a single audio. I mean, you listen to it right now and it's like a gibberish. It doesn't have any meaning. So it's possible to have this kind of outputs. This is another example.
I have a silky smooth voice, and today I will tell you about the exercise regimen of the common sloth.
I forgot to tell you another drawback of this package, and this drawback is that you cannot generate more than 13 or 15 seconds of speech. But don't worry, there's a workaround about that. So in this code I have applied that. Here you see a string here. Actually this string is my last video's description, so it's too long, and I have managed to generate a speech from this text. And you can also select a specific voice for your output. So I have already did it. Actually it took 2 minutes to generate this output, so let's listen to it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something exciting for you. I'll be showing you how to develop and deploy a powerful API that you can potentially monetize as a side income. If you're ready to turn your coding skills into cash, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things coding and side hustle related. let's get started.
Actually, let me explain the piece of code here. What it does is that it gets the string and it splits the string into sentences, and it tokenizes the sentences using the NLTK package, which is a NLP package. So this is our speaker. I have chosen this speaker for my output, and in this line, after each sentence, a quarter second of silence is added, and we put the all pieces into this array, and then we merge them all, and the outcome is the audio, and the output is the audio, as you can see. So let's look at the official documentation of the Bark package on github.com, because they have wonderful examples, and I will also put this link into the description box of this video so that you can refer to it. For example, Bark can also generate, so let's listen to that.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion barks tonight.
You can add different types of voices like laughter, laughs, sighs, music, gasps, clears throat. Actually, you just need to add these strings in square braces in your string, so the magic happens, basically. And it supports a variety of languages like English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Hindi, Japanese, I said Japanese twice, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, and Chinese simplified. So basically that's it. Actually, it's a very useful package. I definitely suggest you to use this package in your personal projects or commercial projects, because now you can use this package in your personal projects, as it's stated here. Now they said, meaning it's now available for commercial use. So you can use this package if you generate an audiobook or something, maybe language learning apps. It's up to your imagination, basically. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please write down in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Happy coding!